Hey, I'm Ryan from Baratza, and today we're gonna unbox your brand new Encore ESP. A grinder built for simplicity, longevity, and high precision, especially with espresso brewing. The Encore ESP features a high precision dual range adjustment system, but more on that later. A simple on-off switch and a pulse button operation, a dosing cup for espresso grinding, and a grounds bin for brew grinding. Pop the lid, lay the box on its side, and slide out the inner tray using the two round cutouts. First up, the quick start guide. Keep this close for reference as we'll walk through the steps together here. Your quick start guide may look a little different than the one we have here, but rest assured that the one you have is made for the grinder that you're unboxing, and we'll cover all the important bits together. Inside, you'll find all the components neatly packed. And here's the cool part. Baratza's packaging is made with 100% recyclable and compostable materials. So after unboxing, just toss the compostable bags into your commercial compost bin. Better coffee, smaller footprint. Inside the grounds bin, you'll find your espresso dosing accessories. Give the removable parts a hand wash, the grounds bin, the dosing cup, and the hopper, with warm soapy water. Rinse and dry completely before the first use. Now let's get it set up. To install the hopper, line up the white grind setting indicator with the triangle near setting 40. Press down and twist clockwise until you hear clicking. If you're grinding for large batch brews, grind directly into the grounds bin. Just insert it with the white max fill line facing out. For smaller doses, like for espresso, slot in the dosing cup base with the ridged side to the back, drop in the cup, and if you're using a 58mm portafilter, slip on the adapter ring for the perfect fit. Install the on-off knob by matching up the D-shaped hole with the stem on the machine and press it into place. Now let's talk grind settings. The Encore ESP has 40 settings split into two grind ranges. 0 to 20 is the fine end made for espresso grinding, and 21 to 40 is the coarse end for all other brewing methods. Just twist the hopper to adjust your grind setting. If you have coffee in the hopper, make sure that you're grinding while making adjustments towards the finer end, otherwise it might damage the internals. In the espresso range, from 0 to 20, each click makes a very, very small change to the grind size, so that you have the precision you need to dial in that perfect shot. From 21 to 40, the changes in size between settings are a little bigger, perfect for pour over, French press, or cold brew. You can find the suggested grind range for each of these brew methods, important safety information, and more in the Quick Start Guide. You have two options to grind. Turn the switch on the side to grind continuously, or hold the pulse button on the front to grind precisely. Now let's make some espresso. I'm using the Bambino Plus, which is a 54mm portafilter machine. So I'll take off this 58mm adapter, put it on the base here, and now we're good to go. I've weighed out 18 grams, and with the grinder set to 15, I'll just pour the beans in and turn the switch to grind everything in the hopper. Note that even though we're using setting 15 with this grinder, this coffee, and this espresso machine, it can be quite different for you depending on your setup. Transfer to the portafilter, tamp, and brew. If your shot comes out way faster than ours, you probably need to go finer or to a smaller number. If your shot is much slower or not dripping out at all, probably need to go coarser or to a larger number. All right, let's give it a try. Oh yeah, smooth, rich, really well balanced. That's the good stuff. At Baratza, we're not just about grinders. We're about helping you brew better coffee every day. That's why we design products that last and back everything with world-class customer support and product service. Got questions? Hit us up at baratza.com/support. We're real people who love talking coffee. Be sure to subscribe for more brew guides, recipes, and tips.